Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I applied these little these little LD these little LED lights onto my mirror, and then I will show you the after on how it looks, but it's nothing too crazy. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be seeing you guys in my next video. So I'm hiding. Hi you guys, I'm hiding because I look really extra ghetto. I'm wearing like some extra baggy sweatpants. Don't mind the mess in the back. I am just decluttering and going through some stuff, but yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This mirror, I got it at Ross. It was only like, I want to say like between $40 and $60 if I'm not mistaken. And these lights, I just ordered them on Amazon. They do come with the remote. This is the remote here. You can change the colors of the lights. See, that's like a cool pink. You can do red. You can do green, blue, and another green. Let's do yellow. Enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There's my son, and we'll see you guys in my next video.